Konaka Stanko. This week, Prime SA Hip Hop goes head to head with Amapiano. Can Amapiano hold its own against the golden era of SA Hip Hop? Which genre left the biggest impact on South Africans? Tune in and find out. And don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comment section.
And when a Christian manje, who's the face Amapiano? When I may say I'm a alien figure that mhlabeni, but soon was sharing umuntu Amapiano. Who's the guy that we need to talk to if you want to understand this sound, or who's your guy right now? Abangati manje siyavuthana, sivuthi South Africa, bavuthi Nigeria, bavuthana, but no music way. Just call one person, unga explain the sound to us.
So,
yeah, ungatonsa abantu.
Mina ngatonsa
Umntu is the face.
umntu we-KTRP.
Ufuna sibuyele back kule 2013, right? Wena like akwazi ungi-answer ukuthi ukhumbulani from the hip hop since uthi boku grade 4.
Yeah.
Who was popping at the time?
Now, when I was in grade 4, I used to own a Family Tree t-shirt. It's my point. So
Yes.
now we're gonna act like now hip hop wasn't a thing.
Okay.
Abantu bebagqoka amakipki nama cash time t-shirt.
Yeah.
So are we which era is more impactful?
Like even though bonga imameli hip hop, but we bonile the time we figure iba a big genre that it became, and then manje siyazi ukuthi ithatha backseat, but you saw the movement. Ukhumbulani wena 2013 ngaleso sikhathi hip hop event?
Ngikhumbula le ntwana bezisikhinya ngamancaza ahoti. I understand, shaya amakepisi, I understand. That's the only thing I remember in hip hop that time.
Just a question.
Yeah.
But now, who has long money between Casper and Cody? If you have to put them head to head, who has like long money?
Head to
If
head.
you understand what long money is.
Are you asking?
What's your story? Let's tell it like Sunday Times, a gonna cast, let's tell it like. What's your story? Let's tell it like a gonna cast, bring a cup, time for tea time. What's your story? Let's hear it right. Like Sunday Times, a gonna cast, let's tell it like. What's your story? Let's get it right. A gonna cast, the #1 music podcast.
Bafethu, welcome. Ekhoneni Bafethu. I'm your host Uponso. I'm riding solo today. Utimba's being fired, sorry to say. Our team was taking space, so we decided to simkoshe that. But I had other commitments, so I get. But I ain't riding solo, man. I have my youngins now, and I've got Umuzi. Ungazi introduce atwana yami. Khulume mic in bakuzwe.
Muzi, it's my 3rd episode on the Conocast. Thank
Yeah.
you for having me. If you're seeing this, that means you tuned in. We appreciate you, dog.
Hola. Who writes now is no stranger. Is my nigga who gave us game ku piano. He has bells. Una my episode nyana mbalwa naye la ekhoneni. And ngazi introduce nawe ntwana ubani?
Hola. Hi, kama onjabula. Akasibangazi ngoKrish.
Yeah, Christian.
Nkosi.
Yeah, inkosi.
Yeah.
All right, Buffett. It's the first time watching the episode. The reason why I brought these two guys, they're not just strangers. They're friends of the cast. They're also contributors to our show. So they have vast experience in 2 different genres. The episode that we're gonna do today is about 2 genres. One is a beast right now. Amapiano. We used to have hip hop as a beast before until yabo. Kwamanje we say asazi ukuthi iku ICU or ikuphi ku background. We used to have ilento hip hop as a beast, but now Amapiano is the beast now. It's the latest kid, the latest kid eshisayo manje. So now we wanna the reason why Sibeka based against ilento Amapiano today, Amapiano against the hip hop. So we're rolling the years back. So we're gonna compare the 2 peaks. Since piano is peaking right now, we wanna know. We wanna pick it against the hip hop back. So we're rolling the years back to 2013 and 2017 when hip hop was the hip hop. We all my man must say the shit. Yeah. So now. Oh, is it second?
Hey, my dog. How kahle.
There's still rappers, miss.
Ayiwa ngifile futhi.
Alright.
It's cool. Ngifile futhi.
Yeah. So now the episode is it's based on these two. It's Amapiano versus hip hop. But we know it's unfair right now, but we're just rolling the years back to 2013 when it was at its highest level. Like they say, Amaqwelas, highest level. Right now they're always saying highest level, but it's nowhere to be found. So Ntwana Ongched, when 2013 bova, the time piano hip hop.
2013, probably makes us happy grade 4 or 5. Yeah. If I'm not mistaken.
So when we don't put do hip hop.
Hey man. Yeah.
Christian Ntwana 2013 before piano figure bodlala.
Futhi ngasho mina first episode. Ngishaya 4 tag mina ne deep house. Angiyazi mina lo.
You've never been yo my nigga.
Never. I've been zugu.
Yeah, angiyakuzwa Ntwana. You've never. So mfethu base kuzo zethu since manje sibona manje amapiano, it's this big thing. It's growing every day. Do you think ilento wena Krish? Do you think hip hop like even though bonga imameli hip hop maar we bonile the time figure iba a big genre that it is that it became, and then manje siyazi ukuthi ithatha back seat, but you saw the movement. Ukhumbulani wena 2013 ngaleso sikhathi hip hop event?
Ngikhumbula le ntwana bezisikhinya ngamancaza akhoti. I understand. Shaya makepisi. I understand. That's the only thing I remember in hip hop that time.
Ama-artists labo wakhona uyakhumbula nje?
Yeah, I mean I'd say Ricky, Khotman Ricky.
Yeah.
That was the Khotman.
Marupayas Ntwana mawuthi Ricky ngoba Ricky bekanokujumpa ngayi kupiano leso uthi khumbula yena nje kuphela.
I mean
Ngithi ingwenya. Ingwenya vele part 2 to be honest ne angikhumbuli nothing via hip hop 2018 acabanga ngisaseyintwana encane.
Yeah,
I understand.
Sure.
Yeah, that time bangasho ukuthi it was hot that time bona abacavayo but
Marathon.
I mean there was nothing else at that time which Afrotech ibe shaba ubani. Ukabza the small no black coat.
When 2013?
Yes. Nabo.
Yeah, but there was house.
Tulo the song, I think, if I'm not mistaken.
But there was house.
Mokabza bekangekho 2013.
Nah, that nigga's been around the music game. Nasa happy piano. That's my whole point. He's right. Piano phela into yamanje 2019. Mase school ama China Sky ma poison. Abantu basanya bashaya piano.
Akusinga 2019 wena ucave 2019.
Sure.
I understand.
Okay, ulicavela nini piano?
Ucave 2019
wena.
Futhi 17 awuthami. Sadlala ibhandi futhi.
Ibhandi. Okay, no, sharp. No, probably mini piano ngilaziyo wena ngekulazi.
Was Lipo?
Abo Lokshin Deep, Abo I mean I can go the whole day. Abo Sean 101. Abantu abangekho manje ni
Bantu abawuphi?
uSean 101 uke wazwa about udlala.
Look up Sean 101 there, madoda. Look up.
What
Sean.
do you mean?
Look up Sean
No,
101.
I'm a music enthusiast. I want to talk about something.
You're now enthusiast hip hop again, mngani. But what I'm telling you is my talk.
Yeah.
Abo Sean 101. They've been in the game. Namanje basesekhona. But coming to you, my brother,
Yeah.
2013, via hip hop, I don't remember next, my good man. I won't lie.
Mfethu ufuna ungitshela you don't remember abo fill up the dome.
Uquesta
Abo Questa Ntwana baletha abo Ricky abo Rick Ross. Ndoda abo Casper aka the beef. Ndanga.
Ngiyaphi ngalezo.
Wena we hate Ntwana isho kanjalo we hate
Angihate
Ntwana.
kodwa.
We hate
I'm not
Ntwana.
a hater, my brother. But then umsebenzi ubonakala egroundini.
Abare crowd Ntwana basipanile
I
manje.
understand that good man. Umsebenzi ubonakala egroundini. Thing is ne, ngamajita awe hip hop.
Yeah.
Ne. They think ukuthi it's gonna be yibo until you understand?
Yeah.
They don't think ukuthi 2 years 3 years down the line it's gonna be bad.
Yeah.
Same as this Burban outlet. So they kept yonke into by vale.
Yeah.
I understand.
Yeah.
Yiyo manje into ebalusale into ebakhawatha. You understand?
Elaborate, bavalele.
ubani
Bafuna upopa bodwa, you understand?
Yeah.
They never went like uthi athi sizame into
sivule
No, but there's a point. You see, in that case, I
Seats.
agree.
yeah
sit.
As a hip hop, they move as a crowd.
okay
So if you're not with this certain crowd, you're not making money. So as a piano kunandaba, as long as when about to shine number, ungahlangana no Gabe Alex.
yeah
Nibangele.
so ngifuna sibuyele back kule nto 2013 right wena like you akwazi ungi-answer ukuthi ukhumbulani like from the hip hop since uthi boku grade 4
Yeah.
who was popping at the time
Now, when I was in grade 4, I used to own a Family Tree T-shirt. It's my point. So
Casper.
now we're gonna act like now hip hop wasn't a thing.
okay
Abantu bebagqoka ama-keep nama cash time T-shirt.
Yeah.
So are we? Which era is more impactful now? Uke wazwa bathi kunekipa as a piano hub is thengiswa emall.
so okay okay ngiyayithanda le nto ishoyo you think hip hop was more in terms of culturally impacted kakhulu South Africa more than
Yeah.
amapiano
Globally now.
no South African hip hop ngifuna sisitike to South African hip hop yeah
Listen, if you ask people now, okay, maybe let's not even say young people because Tina, we're gonna be biased and say piano.
yeah
Let's say people who are maybe 30 years and plus.
yeah
Ask them Muguti when they were listening to South African music from 2013 to 2017, like we say, Beba Mamela Boba, and what made them interested in South African music. If Aksu Caspanyo vest, Cash Time T-shirts, and the Family Tree, line, which one? They go back because Poison Parks surely they didn't do as much. But he's unfair. Magati 2013 and Nagabonang skipper say Cash Time or it's a Family Tree. Young egg. It doesn't make sense. I refuse.
so would you say hip hop also influenced the lingo food
Yes. In terms of impact, it had the most impact because namanje, I mean, actually, let me not even be biased. Piano la yenzinto.
yeah
Because piano nasekasi la mamelwa nasesichizini la mamelwa.
yeah
Hip hop is a bit mangafika la na
but I would argue with during that time that period yona esikhuluma ngayo 2013 towards yona 2017-18 hip hop yamamelo kasi yadlala emapatini
Yeah.
it was ilento
But now doesn't even emfethu usho ukuthini wena utabozwanga hip hop wena. Bokungena TV yekini. Yawuthami. MTV Trace even Joe.
Hip hop hayi uthanda. Bengayimamili. Mina
Bekungena UTV ne Ariel awuthami.
me
yeah
personally.
all
Exactly.
right
You understand?
yeah
Mina put.
bongayimameli personally
Bengayimamili.
And it's unfair.
Bengizikhala.
boyizikhala
Yabikhala yona.
Who are we to say ipiano li more impactful?
so wena vele ubiased to the sound yesigubhu nje kuphela namanje hip hop awuyimameli
ngiyayimamela manje hip hop. You understand?
yeah umamela bani ke manje
Iyashaya manje hip hop iyasho.
umamela bani manje usho ukuthi manje i better than the ebeyiphuma from ngaleza ikhathi bo 2013 ufika manje
Better kakhulu manje. And manje yabona njengoba ngisho ukuthi hip hop yamanje amajita applying because the music war that's going on ePitori naseDurban leyo hip hop le ngowayizwa manje wathatha isikhathi ngokumela lamajita la
no
Pitori and also Durban
ngiyabamamela ne but I would say still ikuma background for me unlike the time ifika ka Casper no AKA was going on everyone bayakhuluma ngabe kuyi topic even though you are imameli hip hop you would know about the two guys
So we agree
Right.
it was more impactful.
It was more impactful.
Ipiano alina 10 years for the fact ukuthi sizocabanga nokuthi ine impact kanjani. count from 2017 to 2025, my dog.
Yeah, makali kubule.
Come on. Uyazi now.
Ipiano Khotman, ipiano lazikhulumela. You understand?
Yeah.
Ipiano lazikhulumela akumelanga manje siloku siphikisana sisane move na phambili. Mawu blind ublind outside.
Yeah.
You understand? Don't make noise. You are blind.
Mara wena what you don't understand ukuthi amajita shaya ipiano. No.
I understand.
A majority yakhona buza usizwa lakhani ukuthi igama lakhe bukuba. Ngiyabonga dog. So you need to recognize ukuthi hayi ukuthi ama genre afile per se, but the other one makes more revenue streams than the other, and amajita kawulekile bahlele konini njengathi.
I understand.
Okay.
Le yakho ifile putwana.
Yeah.
Amajandra wafa ngayaphila amajandra.
Like
Le yakho ifile.
the reason
Okay.
why I'm saying that is because
Shavushaya.
Uba
Yeah.
ushavushaya singasho ukuthi hip hop
Afropop.
/ afro pop.
Man, hip hop up man.
Uyashaya hip hop is part of hip hop ntwana.
Shab Afro pop. Afro pop is shab.
Yeah. Ushaya afro
Ayithatha
pop.
ipalpa manje.
Yeah.
Country rock yakhala put.
Yeah.
Inhliziyo zahilela.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mara ubani hip hop.
Usabu kusitshela ukuthi une depression.
Aphila amajene.
Yeah.
Aphila
Yeah.
amajene.
Ile ewane fi.
Which genre? No, only amapiano is the biggest genre right now. And now I'm saying this with the enjamtizwa mhlungu because abantu abashaya ipiano nakhona balishayela ema back room. Uke wahlangana ne kitchen unit e studio. Lezi zepiano njalo. We understand. No, anithathi serious into eniyenzayo. That's why ngisho ukuthi longevity is something that you might not have.
There's no
Because
There's no way.
Tina sisuka
Okay, Dad, hold the thought. That's usually
Yeah. Panel. Do you think with piano, what helped piano is that the social media vibe actually helps piano because they dances other than hip hop when it was coming in 2013. It was only Instagram and Facebook, but they were not like as popular as
there was no reels and TikTok.
TikTok and all this. YouTube was still not vibing. So do you think that
the platform.
piano was pushed to be bigger than hip hop? Like, but now
No.
the impact of piano is bigger than hip hop. Let us go on.
No, piano. I would say my stance with piano be big South Africa before TikTok, right? When they started hopping with TikTok, that's when the world catch on. With okay, there's this thing by Bizima piano. Basically, my dance, now 1 minute snippet. Like.
That's my question.
Yes.
You think that for it to be as big as it
To
is,
be big out of South Africa, yes. It's TikTok, I would say so.
so
Mara
if hip hop had the same shine, do you think those guys would have done the same thing as piano?
Can I answer that? I think no.
No.
I
Because
disagree.
because hip hop is not a unique sound to the world.
Yeah.
But the reason why the world listens to Amapiano is because it's a unique sound. Now, when we were using Doctor,
Yeah.
Magic UK, I was a Doctor, they went mad. They were
Exactly,
like,
my brother,
But
exactly.
in hip hop, it's a familiar sound. The only difference, obviously, is the artist, is the bars, the language used on the song. But it's a familiar sound. That's why when you see we
And imagine now,
But like amapiano haina meaning. Mina ngithatha serious. I mean it's for fun.
ngeke manje ngeke uhlale wena 5 minutes ngomamela umuntu high.
No, kanti amapiano balishaya njani? Uke wamamela ama lyrics wakhona?
Emngwana wami lapha
Uyazi le ngoma no iphezulu kwendlu.
yabona leyo iphezulu kwendlu mngwana wami ngibiza bengayisho on the first episode
Yeah,
iphezulu
uthi
ngibiza njenge
piyoyo. Uthi piyoyo.
Okay,
Yeah.
what's your
Commercial.
definition of a piano, Sky? Skeleze, before I tell you ukuthi mina why I think rap is first. Mina ngitshela ukuthi
le first episode uzongitshela.
hayi email indaba yakho.
Come back and tell me.
Yeah.
So my brother would say, what's the difference of
Shoot amapiano break it down like you broke it down for us. There's a piyoyo, there's a mapiano.
Sure.
So that my nigga knows.
Nigga, talk your shit.
Alright, bro. So mangithi mapiano or piano it's piano. You understand? So piano I'm talking about is private. You understand? Your mdu's, your momos, your
So for the fact that to sit down to momo a private.
yo lentuza mfana baningi yo man lokshitipi yawoshoni that's why that's my definition of piano. You understand? Angafiki na ku ndaba sengizongena kubo skidongo manje mkhona ku understand?
So
Love for 2 words, bro. I'm a nyawazi. Akusu music njalo ngiyabamba. You know music. Ungasifundisa iskidongo wena music school of arts.
So
NASA.
put iyada ikhona course la.
Eskidongo.
Iyada.
Eskidongo.
Okay.
Come on, my nigga. That ain't music.
You understand? Then ipiyo.
Yeah.
It's the commercial one.
Yeah.
Yeah, ile pa ucha.
Abo pirimaru, gibo la.
Ya pirima ngbe ipiyo pare beshi. But yeah, now singalahlela kupiyo. You understand?
Okay.
But did you agree with the point being put?
Khuluma nge lock drum.
My keys.
Ama keys. And the scoop vocals next. Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I mean, man.
Okay. So going back with hip hop, do you remember who was the face of hip hop, SA hip hop at the time?
For the longest time it was Casper Nyovest. For the longest of time.
Casper Nyovest.
Yeah,
And
because
who was the highest selling artist at the time? Leo Chandra Leo.
From 2013, right?
Yes.
From 20, it has to be Casper Nyovest.
Casper Nyovest.
Can't be anybody else. Maybe no Questa, but I don't think Questa made so much money because there were so many people involved in his music, the notas and the record labels.
And then when a Christian tanga manje, who's the face? Amapiano. When I may say ama alien afika la mhlabeni, but Funwas sitshele ngomuntu wamapiano. Who's the guy that we need to talk to if you want to understand this sound, or who's your guy right now? Ngathi manje siyavuthana, sivuthi South Africa, bavuthi Nigeria, bavuthana, but music wenu, just call one person unga explain the sound to us.
Sure.
Yeah, ungadonsa bani?
Mina ngadonsa umntu
Umntu is the face.
umntu we-KTRP.
So na sikhuluma ngayo yonke into phela, we looking at
Uti
comparison.
man umaphorisa
Now,
kanti
I'm
why
not saying
senza
umntu is the
ngathi
face.
Yeah.
Now, I'm not saying umntu is the face.
Yeah.
You understand?
Oh, okay.
But-
Umuntu onga explain the sound.
he's saying he's the
Yeah,
face
but
but he's
umuntu-
not saying it.
But
What are you
umuntu-
saying?
But umuntu ongakhulumela le sound.
Yeah.
Umuntu you understand? Because angifuni ukukhuluma ngomuntu oyithole endleleni.
Oh, umuntu oyithole endleleni bantu baphorisa.
Thing is manje la ku piano
Yeah.
kugcwele kupaya futhi man lami. You
Yeah.
understand?
Yeah.
Kupaya. That's why wonke umuntu akwazi ukuthi adle, wonke umuntu akwazi ukuthi ayenze grand
Sure.
empilweni. You understand?
Sure.
Because kuyavulelwana la, kuyaphaswelana.
Yeah.
Yabo. So mara lo muntu oyi-1 loyo ongathi ayish manje vele sithi ngidonse oyi-1 by popular demand ke amaphorisa ngamdonsa.
Maphorisa ungamdonsa.
Mana athi kunyana kancane.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uyincanywa leyani. Asikuze utwana.
Time.
Just a question on my side. You asked the hip hop guy who made a lot of money.
Yeah.
Who
Go hip hop at
He
the
said-
time.
he said
Kes, you said Casper and Questa.
Quest.
Yeah.
And then Umapiano.
Umapiano.
Because do TRP, he looks broke.
He look.
Yeah.
Masiba honest. Yeah, he doesn't look like right now.
Lana ze piano zinji man.
Making man.
Okay.
Mina nishawa ma comprehension skills.
No,
Okay,
umntu. They were appreciating umntu for a long time.
Yeah.
You understand?
Okay.
He said, "Hey, my brother,
Yeah.
nayi artist fagile.
Yeah.
Nayi ingwenye, lo
Yeah.
muntu omfethu."
Mara he did answer, but nithi akuthi ukhuluma ngomaphorisa. Maphorisa is the guy who looks like he's got
Now I'm talking
up.
about mine.
That's what I
Mara
said.
uphina-
Didi nami yanginya but
You
leya.
didn't ask me about it.
Yeah.
Umaphorisa is like
Angibuzanga.
No.
ngamacoin.
No, Ntwana, ngithe kuwe. Ubani ungambiza ukuthi manje mama ngathi mina Ntwana ubani the face right now yamapiano. He chose Mtu. He didn't choose Maporis.
It can't be him too. He can't market himself.
It's fine. Let's start. Let's ask him the question.
Ubani?
Before anything, let me just clarify something because I feel like you guys didn't understand why he said do.
Okay.
You understand? The reason why he's saying do is because of the lockdown.
Okay.
But he's saying do is not the face.
Yeah.
It's more like Mdu is kind of a pioneer of the lockdown sound.
Okay.
The lockdown sound.
Alright.
Zeke.
Yeah.
That's why at the end he said that in terms of the face, it's Maporis.
Alright.
But the way he phrased it, like,
Maporis.
by popular demand.
Popular demand. Maporis is the guy, Buffett. You need Maporis to pop.
Umdu needs Maporisa to make
That's
them.
one question.
Yeah.
But now, who has long money between Casper and Pori? If you have to put them head to head, who has like long money?
Head to
If you
head.
understand what long money is.
Are you asking? Is it a
Casper
question to
Putu.
everyone?
Everyone.
Come on. It's poor. It's not even a question. I'm asked, bro.
Yeah.
No, it's poor.
He managed to invest his money when you are still making it.
No,
but
it's-
right now,
it's-
he's just taking the interest of the money that he made during the time.
So,
right now, he's not making.
Repeat that. You said who's broke?
Cash is broke.
I'd
He's
say
just eating the investment that he made during his peak. right now.
I'd say Maporis. Maporis has long money because he's been able to double and dip in all these genres. So whatever ngena eshisa uyajumpa kuyo.
Ejo, ukhalaza.
Ayangazi don't wazilahlala khona sombropho mos.
Google. That's why you know people you. The most expensive penthouse.
But okay, but we are gonna. You remember, Ukhrutman, he made a very good point.
Okay.
The platforms and the promotions as a manje compared to now and that time, like we were saying it before we
We're
got.
comparing two different eras.
Like
That's what you said.
amachita bewana ma platform apaya, anama platform apaya no compared to the
No,
Saskat.
you guys spoke about this last time. I didn't intervene. But if you think about it, the guys previous, they used to sell because music
Was being bought.
outlets, it was
Yeah.
just
One.
You
Yeah.
understand?
Yeah.
And it was like the hard cash. You understand? Right now, there's a lot of like
My platform money.
anyone in South Africa can have an access to that, piracy or not.
Yeah.
Okay,
You have an
okay,
access to that.
okay,
But
okay.
back in the days, you had to actually buy the music. You know, that's why about my cat gets seen the numbers that they
Counter that by saying, wouldn't have a cent if it wasn't for Twitter and all this social media. Because back then, hip hop, you have to sell music, not your dance move. You have to sell your music. So, Uncle Waffles is a piano DJ. Because of her dance move, she doesn't have piano songs. She can't produce. She
No,
can't do anything.
no.
So that's why I'm saying the platform.
Because if there was no piano
The
now,
platforms of
with the
piano
same
are better than the
platforms,
platforms.
rap would be the shit more than Equite or any other genre, including Afro.
No, Mara, hip hop Ndwana, like the only time, the reason why we chose that time frame specifically, like 2013 to 2017. That's when Singashuguti ige yaba national hip hop. Angisho. That's when ekasi beidlala. Epatini is either you udlala a house and then afterwards you play hip hop. That's why we chose the 2013
But
to
man,
2017.
uyabona lezi zepiano mara zikafiki nasesikhathini esirathi ukuthi zipite kanje. Okay, there was piano, there was Kwaito. I think Kwaito was the longest genre to ever take over in South Africa.
But the heights that Amapiano is reaching right now, no genre has ever reached.
But angithi manje
Ntwana
sikhuluma-
bawina ama-Grammy but laba ngepiano.
man,
Tyler ntwana uri khathi.
ke piano Pinel.
Awu ndoda ke piano artist.
Jazz.
Ipiano like no, mara listen to Tyler's music.
No, it's piano. It's a piano
Baby
influence.
sweat, make me harder.
Ntwana in a lockdrum ntwana. Come on. But it's a piano. They want Grammys, they want BETs, they want hip hop has never been the only thing that banga shoot by Yenzi the hip hop is they were being nominated. They never won.
But I think we stop being music lovers the moment Guba numbers involved. I promise you, because he made a point that Uncle Waffle. So are we saying Tyler and her Grammy without TikTok and Twitter would be in the same position?
No, remember
right
what
now?
I said. I said piano for it to be international. It was through those platforms. But it was already peak Mzansi.
Okay.
It was already peak Mzansi.
So you can't bring in Grammys.
Okay, but there was a platform. There was Twitter then.
No,
there was Facebook.
So C2 Casper bekazothola iGrammy 2017. Abo Lil Baby basaphuma when they were winning their Grammys. It was
Guys, I also disagree with sponsor or whoever is agreeing with TikTok managed to push piano to cross over internationally.
Yeah.
Because even back in the days, with less media influence, Abu Mira Makeba, Abu Lucky Dube, they were able to penetrate those markets. And they were able to get nominated Abu Black Mambazo,
But I would argue. I would argue. Okay. Finish.
They were able to tap into those spaces without the influence of social media at all. So that's my point. If hip hop, it's a thing. It's nothing new in the US. I mean, there's probably 10,000 rappers sitting in Los Angeles. I understand that. So it's.
Intwana zami kumele zishaya feature no Oliver Mtukudzi ukuthi sibe angeke cabanga uErisa feature lela time yebo futhi angeke
Okay, into zamukusho ukuthi intwana South African hip hop ayina identity. It's what you say.
That's what I'm saying.
They sound similar to the
That's
niggas.
what I'm saying. That's what Biggie said, and I agree with him. I'm not gonna take credit.
That's what I'm saying.
Man's reaching.
That's what I'm saying. I'm supporting it. I'm agreeing with him because the next thing was watching him.
no but there's nobody who does hip hop that has originality because it comes from somewhere.
Yeah.
There's a blueprint.
Yeah.
Mara hence mina ngiagree ngendaba ye-lock drum hayi piano.
Yeah.
I-lock drum element.
But guys,
Khona ipiano lamasimba khona le John Vuligate ngicela sikhulumeni le that mina le era abo esamanyo not le ipiano seza le le Mshovu Mbali come on
Mshovu Mbali hayi man
uthini
hayi bakadlali futhi
hayi
futhi besitsha Mshovu Mbali amabele abuthi kusaselo
amabele fsenbendoda come on
Ow! Come on now. Shaya le ngoma manje ume la.
The real MC from Komor.
Ube wazibona and lapha besisagawuleka before kuba nama platforms. Lapha ezepiano bezilamba phela ipiano into yakudala futhi wena uyibamba late March 2017 ngobuningi beni. Piano has been there way before ukabza. Ipiano liqale ngabo China Melon nabo Zulu Mafia.
No.
Come on.
I'd argue. China Chameleon shaya deep intwana.
Goodman la.
Zulu Mafia shaya deep intwana. No, that's wrong, dog.
No.
That's wrong, dog. That's wrong.
No, Goodman ngicela usearch ingoma lapho ya Zulu Mafia no DJ Stocks.
it was a topic. I think I saw it somewhere saying with the piano come from Limpopo because those are Limpopo boys, right?
And search the catalog. Iyani catalog ya
ukhuluma so ngoba ibuya Limpopo ayikho le nto esho.
We won't buy what was he saying. It's a hip hop.
Is a hip hop.
The guy who can tell us
Ugrisha.
akabazi laba bekhuluma ngabo ngoba uGrisha bekasatha amasireleki
No, there's no.
nabo Zulu Mafia
There's no way.
Abo Chama Chameleon.
ngisho elements before kuzongena i-lock drum le piano thina besilithi piano. You must go back to ama catalogs ungaphikisi into
Ngotitekile ke futhi.
No, mara ntwana hayi ntwana. Ipiano okay.
Alu wait please kupata Alu I said DJ Stocks and Zulu Mafia and listen to the song uthi ngoma kusingoma bayidlala manje.
Okay. So buya ku wena ntwana ngifuna ukuphendula ngoba Miriam Makeba waperformela abantu abayi7 lapha. Noma platform wabo la was small venues not compared to piano. You can't say piano they were performing in the real stages ntanga. Go to that thing le Afro what they say Portugal. That's a big stage there ntanga.
Before we going to ngaphandle Portugal in ne?
Yeah.
Check Chase Disciples.
Yeah.
Chase Disciples is a ngenye culture good man. You understand?
Yeah.
That time basakipa lengoma le
Long lasting.
Abo long lasting.
Yeah.
Ama video bwashada man.
Yeah, my video, yeah.
Ayi put it. Go on.
But the Chelsea Disciples, they reference about MFR Souls.
Before you even go out or it's fine no banga reference about but then it's piano. Talking about piano.
Yeah,
What's your point?
You understand?
Pelatina, we want the person who, angithi manje we are going back to the most impactful genre.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then yaqala ni mina ngitshela ukuthi even before 2017 your genre was there, it was just not making money because bekungakabi nabantu abafana nabo mapolice.
Sharp.
And it was shit at that time.
It was shit.
As far because ngathi bayishana ngamapoto ukaza le kukung ipoto lela njalo
Asithi khuluma ngayo.
We can say the same with hip
You with hip hop.
but we don't have originality, that's why it doesn't even take it there. Uguti Tyler won the Grammy and then we wouldn't expect maybe Situba Ushane Iggy or Aries.
But now, talking about originality, can't we say KO tried to do that and embrace him? Because that sounds...
That's South African. Yes.
But in terms of KO, Ige Yazama one, we can go back to Khutmani. Okay, I wouldn't say Maru Pro is a mate.
Maru Pro was never embraced. Maru Pro begaziwe Gauteng kuphela.
But angithi ukuba embraced, that's why thina siyama close-minded listeners and ngalesa sikhathi bekungana phone abhaya.
Mara you knew ngomandoza, but you knew ngomandoza.
We understand.
No, you knew ngomandoza.
But now
No, I'm just ngala le ndaba ukuthi bazodaka ukuthi besingena phone for us not knowing cats like Pro no banbani.
You have to listen to whatever is being played on there.
So they were not radio playing.
But now the piano artist can
Ni close-minded
without any funding, anything, and be famous. There you have to listen to who they push.
But guys, wait, no. Let's refresh. I still disagree with the thing with right now there's more platform or I'm a platform mind that's got more reach. I still think that all these platforms, TV, radio, they used to have more reach. Because back in the days when you're on SABC, SABC, not like big time. Anytime it is at SABC, you really walk in this mall free. Like let's say your slot it's at 1 p.m. on a Saturday, the whole South Africa will know you.
Yeah.
That's how much
But
power.
you end up only in South Africa. You wouldn't go and win Grammy in like Thailand.
That's my whole point.
You wouldn't win a Grammy like Thailand if you were only in SABC. Thailand would have never won a Grammy if it was in
Kimango Shebling SABC.
Yeah, but now
That's where they signed them from TikTok. Thailand was signed.
Let's be open-minded.
Okay,
That's the
but
reason why
it's
Tyler is where she
why-
is.
let's go back then.
Sibuye ngaiba
When
fithi.
I have
Yeah.
this check off camera.
Ngathi ngifuna ukushayana. So Twana, when according to you, one the most selling amapiano artist, Krish,
most selling piano artists
currently, yeah. Since it's on its peak, because hip hop ngesikhuluma ngawo is because ayikho ku peak yayo manje. That's why we refer back to the time Mr. Shees.
Sure.
Yeah, the time la umuza sastake khona ntwana ku grade 4. Wena ungasitshela nje
Ayabona
ubani
manje
uthi
ne. But I'm gonna just name one.
Yeah.
I understand.
Yeah.
Out be by GL.
Sorry, maybe I'll rephrase it to streaming because right now.
yeah, streaming, yeah. Who's the most streaming amapiano artist? I think it's Momo.
D2, yeah. D2A.
Nakona bapaya futhi. I understand.
Yeah.
Because Momo khiphile izo.
Yeah,
Yabo. But the most streaming currently manje, yeah. I could say Momo, yeah. It's Momo.
it's Momo.
Yeah,
ne?
it's Momo.
Fact checker. I was paying it. I was paying.
No, the thing is, he always says is, I want you to
You'll have that conversation off camera, but you better do it.
Yeah, so
Fact checker,
wait,
please check that.
I've checked now. So
Yeah.
it's neck to neck by Chichi-san, right?
So it's Kabza.
We're talking about right now today. As we're sitting here today.
As we're sitting here today, I'm
Man, Alu.
Let's
You have to do
let's say the month. We are in the month of May, right?
Yeah.
So in the month of May, Kabza is the most streamed
Amapiano
on
artist.
Spotify.
Okay.
Can you
Okay,
put
now.
a screenshot on the screen there?
Yes, I'll take the screenshot now and then
Now it's tricky for Amapiano.
Yes, but that's what I'm saying, it's like a-
Let's not focus on the most streamed. Let's focus on maybe the vocalist now, right? Who's the vocalist? He's the main guy.
Should I name one? No.
You can name multiple. Okay, they're pushing this culture, this thing forward. We can expect more Gibo. Or guys who are passing right now. There's 3.
Because I got 3 currently in
yeah,
Mkondo,
yeah,
understand? And I've been telling you guys ngalawan.
Yeah.
So the episode.
The episode, you put us on, Vana.
Yeah,
Who
so-
was introduced?
The first guy
Yeah.
would be out by Chigele,
Yeah.
by Zonda,
Yeah.
Scott. You understand?
Yeah.
Ubuye ngenye into futhi. Umengenye.
Umengenye.
Umengenye. Yabona ezokubuya. Umengenye.
Umengenye.
Yeah,
Oh,
so
umengenye.
Umengenye.
Yeah.
I'd say Scott, because nama kunenye ayishayile ma ezayo.
Yeah.
Kodwa boma ngathi 4 or 5 manambe solindile nje ku Scott abili apply. Understand?
Yeah,
And the second one would be Cowboy.
Yeah. Mkauzas.
Mkhawuza.
Yeah.
Ayi futhi.
Yeah, she's.
Yeah. Then the third one would be Uthato Heart.
Oh,
It's on Momo's album.
Yeah,
Manje.
yeah, manje.
Mntana shisa kakhulu.
Yeah, she's
That's the-
tattooed.
That's the most 3. Angoba one ayi one encane kakhulu.
Yeah. Ibo manje, like you'd say, they pushing this.
Yeah.
This genre
Ibo
forward.
manje they pushing.
ngeke kahle ngathi sekuyi-episode yepiano
Episode yepiano, man. Okay.
whoa let me backtrack your asses no
Inkosi bangazi.
Just a follow-up question for Krisha.
Yeah.
I remember Krisha predicted who Scott Mapumo, which is one of the biggest artists in 2024, right?
Yeah.
2025.
Yeah.
For people who don't know, so just check go out and check the episode.
Check the episode, man. There's an episode where he predicted, he gave us top 5 on all these 5 artists.
Yes.
Yeah. So
And shout out to Scott. I saw he bought a house and a car the same day. Right?
Yeah.
That was yesterday, so.
yeah, man.
But anyway, I have a question for Krisha. Like, what's his thought, man, on his... When you heard when you were saying that he doesn't care about
No.
his fans and stuff.
akanandaba ngayo
No,
and umringele kakhulu
I spoke to him off camera. He was mad that we called another nigga for that episode. Yeah, Scott Mapu. Yeah. Shout out to Luther though. Yeah, Oscar, your thoughts. I'm defending the Jenga. I think defending the Jenga. He's a fan also. I think now to DJ, so maybe we were hoping one day to totally feature. Jenga ufuna ukuvela ku video na.
uScott lezi zingashawa uScott akaza shawa
So, mina futhi coming back to indaba ka Scott ukuthi wenze ujikeli ucommentile athi akanandaba. Yeah, akanandaba nama fan. Bram ngathini mina and thing is, you know, we expect this Bulls to be uScott wasendlini kube uScott oyethu emafenini.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah. Usho kanjani?
If ugazi uthi hayi mina anginandaba namafan wami nani fake lapho wrong.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
But on the other side right. One by a king. But I'm not saying I'm not saying ukuthi Scott makomela yenze lento le. You understand? Because oqala his ukuthi abe la mfethu yithi mfethu.
Yini
Thanda the
Yeah,
out. You
yeah,
understand?
yeah,
Ublind,
yeah.
talent. But then ukuthi manje azocanceliwa, azozondwa. Enye into le.
akahamba eDavidson abatshela la le
Enye into le manje manje
hey.
azozondwa enye into leyo my brother.
idatha yakho imthengelele ya M4 so manje lento azokutshela yona yikho
That's good for him. Umnandi, understand? But I have no control over what Scott
akadrop emzini wakhe kumamela amabhodo wakhe
sibona.
sibona
Power ukuthi ubhuti ucabanga ngami.
Yeah.
Understand? Mina ngiyifan.
So you're still showing him love. That's what
Too much my brother. Ublind lo muntu.
Talent ya keep lying.
Good man, ayifani nebhola le. Uthi italent uliphuzile.
Yeah.
Wena uyangi training ematshwaleni. Umntwana ublind.
No,
No, but I agree.
You know the
100%.
concern in that. Him being a vocalist, and we have seen the history of a vocalist ku piano ukuthi akusabantu abahlalayo. So hence if we producer Chingubuzela, we produce into
yeah
Yeah, it does produce.
just produce. Okay, is it good though?
Yeah, he's good.
Because
Apply.
for me, I would expect him to maybe Kabza or Maporisa. Someone who called Tala corner. So for me, I felt it was too early for him to speak like that or to move like that. For me, because as a vocalist, because there was people who were bigger than him before, who the same genre. Amaroto were bigger than him for me, according to me. But bawisa yini ukuthi bahlukane azange ukuthi bawisa kuloko. So for me I was scared ukuthi ntwana le ingakabi stable njengo youngster na. You
But
understand?
you
Bese
know,
khuluma so.
his antics are the reason he's like this. Because if we were not talking about him, we corner cast.
So are you saying ukuthi Mugida
casting guy LT, he wouldn't be making those numbers. So there's somebody who was asking themselves, "Kutenhle kenhle kubani uScott Maphuma? Mamamela lo music. You'd even forget ukuthi uthakana ndaba ngawo."
Yeah.
So that's the difference.
So it also worked in his favor futhi.
Yeah, ayifani nokuthi manje uCasper uzositshela ukuthi akanandaba ngathi. Phuma kimbezo mamelwa bani. The reach is not the same.
Besophuma kuwe.
Uyayibona?
Yeah, okay.
But untanga
Uyapha.
I'm sure he learned his lesson. I understand he saw ukuthi esan semzansi kodwa la
Asicoleli. Mara he would say maybe his argument yakhe ngaba ukuthi mara wanivumela le pari le kompo ubani kwashe ushebe
That's the thing
ukhipha iphanga agwathisha abayene ama fan wakhe.
I think maybe just to add on that also, it's a thing. I think for Scott, it was the thing: is he qualified to do so? Because there's quite a lot of artists who have done what they've done, and they managed to get away with it.
No, but we can't compare normal people in a jail bed. Ushebe is a jail bed.
Yeah.
But now, Memuzi, I mean, these guys like AKA who managed to.
Wathumntwana yeah. Yeah.
These guys like Abu what's this guy from the Val, the DJ, Chris KB.
Chris KB.
You know, you've done.
Marabam canceling KB.
Chris gave me them
We cancel
I wanted to comment AKA. AKA was justified because if you follow AKA, right, his first album or second album, right, was Alter Ego.
His first album.
It was the first or second.
First.
The Alter Ego speaks about the fact that there's two counter personalities, right? And if you follow his career trajectory, in every album, he talks about that fact that there are moments or things that he does that are beyond his control, where his alter ego takes over. Hence, his alter ego is that ego yokuthi uyahlanya, but that disrespectful, very arrogant. But at the same time, there are moments where he's like a cool guy, people love him and whatever.
Spoke like a true legacy.
So he portrayed that in his career. So we're not surprised.
No, I agree. That's also a point. But the main point is that he's qualified because musically he has proven to us.
He's qualified. Yes, that's the
you can't cancel AKA.
No,
you know,
besides
even
the
like-
cancel.
Well, AKA is a guy like he was a guy like even if like you don't like how he moves. You know, like,
He wasn't
you
replaceable.
understand, but
You
when
can
it
have
comes to
another
music,
Scott
you still
tomorrow.
gonna
Never.
want to listen. So the question when it comes to Scott Uguti, is he?
No, Krisha is saying that. So
They can uScott singamenzo omunye kusasa.
except Ghost
Thathuda alu simshayisa ama-fade athi bathini bona. But you can't tell me.
yeah.
Ejo ipiano like ipiano ayina sense, ayina struggle outing kuba ne pen game outing emfethu ukuba no read novel oshaya ipiano.
Ufunda yini?
Let me touch up.
The lyrics. No, I'm standing on it.
Except chance. The Ghosts are taking over. Man like that. Nipogo. Shut up.
No, but I'm waiting.
A cowboy like doesn't have any pen game.
He does. Man.
Okay.
No. Tato Hatsi has a pen game. They do.
And those piano people.
Give Muzi a chance to explain himself.
What the
No.
thing is,
Kuluma, no,
it's
mina.
not making any sense. This part is not using the scope.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
There's no
Baba. If you listen to music, when I say pen game means thoughts, research, reading, and personal flow.
But mamela ingoma eyi-1 so mfana zingakhi ingoma zepiano zama-thoughts yonke lento oyishoyo zingakhi
Ziphi?
qale ngethokolo
Yeah.
ne vulani ne awusami isibhaya
Okay.
Inspire.
If that's what you call penmanship.
Inspire.
Because nina mfethu there's a chorus.
Mara
Chorus
Dana-
is one thing. Vulani sharp and then what said after
Dana,
that?
I feel that like whenever ba sharp it's on a rap and then I see.
But now we are giving them we are taking the wrong element.
That's why nama-depression.
Kanjani?
That's why zihama.
Busy ngama-thoughts.
Busy ngama-thoughts.
Ipiano lasekasi lishaywa bo Cheese Boy ukudlula ezasekasi. That's why imusic ikanje lo. Anina mfethu uyabona ukuleka ama resource. You will never make good music. So nina that's why ngisho ukuthi ni close minded. Mangithi thought
Like ama phama resource piano.
I agree with you. I think we need to have an episode.
phela wena mawuthenga ilaptop uthola Fruity Loop so uyipiano artist. Bese wena uthi I'm not using your co. Akusikho next lapho kuyilo drum co.
Mara, I would argue that hip hop is also doing the same thing right now.
How?
You don't need a studio, man. You don't want a studio.
Yeah.
Sakaba. Azini.
Ngoba kupiano kune studio kunama studio showcase i5 esaka Kabza esaka Momo esaka Mtu esaka Stoki bese the
So
rest
this one has
bantshela
zonke le-
lapho ukuthi wena una 10% kule
Shuthwana
ngoma
zonke lentwana
or
ziya ku-studio sakamaphoyisa kuphela.
angithi ngiyakutshela ukuthi nina nishaya
mfana,
music ema toilet nasema
mfana,
kitchen kunama studio uyazi
Mara
na
le ngoma ephuma etholethu uyayimamela no.
ubani
Okay, done. Okay, done. Busy.
nigga
Okay, we said here. I'll change it.
Akekho umamela hip hop.
Manje ku-hip hop, done.
yeah
Yeah. Like Kuntwana ushilo ukuthi there's 3 ne vocalist. When I go now, who are you looking for
currently
currently right now? Who are you bumping or who are you listening to?
there's
And
a
who
Kane
would you
Kid
say
who
is taking
just dropped an album now.
Bani?
Kane Kid.
Kane Kid.
Yeah.
Okay.
Zulu Maker as well.
All right.
So let's not even yazini.
Yazulumeka mkenzulumeka yashisa.
Come on. Ay yazini. Uyasicontradict njaya. Muyabo ukuthi na usebenzisa ama thoughts.
Angisicontradict.
Mara Ntwana ushilo ukuthi listen to hip hop right. Uyayimamela manje. Unlike back the time sikhuluma ngayo 2013 until 2017 bangayimameli. But
Okay.
right now
But-
uchiyashisa yeah.
But that was the most impactful hip hop. That's why he wouldn't know. So he must acknowledge that fact. Ukuthi in fact yamanje niyada ayifani. That's why we're referencing 2013 to 2017.
Yeah.
But going back to my people, Kane Kid, Zulu Maker, Aries will forever be there, Latinova Pounds,
Yeah.
and then there's this guy. Nina ni frustani le. I reference Tato Soul a lot. Most of the music eshayiwe Pitori, I feel like bakopi flow kaka.
Yeah.
Mntwana ya
Tato Soul is nice.
Then mara now mfana ukwazi ufaka kule nto Devin Chance ntwana ufuna umtshela ukuthi
No, they make
don't
dizzy
feel-
music. I like penmanship. That's what hip hop to me.
Tony
That was
Diamond
always
doesn't
came-
have a pen.
Eh?
Tony Diamond doesn't have a pen ntwana.
No,
Penmanship.
mara ngithi sikhuluma nge-impact.
no,
Impact umuntu one-impact uSimamani compared to the boy. But
Okay.
uSimamani doesn't make good rap music.
But I would argue to Kane Kid needed Usmamani on the joint.
Yeah, phela uSimamani
And
ufana
also
noMaphorisa.
there's rumors that he killed him.
Bheka uSimamani
Oh, no,
in
no,
this
no.
case uMaphorisa and then ubani lo mchita lo.
Okay.
uKane Kid singathi ubani?
Umtu TRP.
Umduty So it's just that impact I find.
Yeah, okay.
My contracts are off.
Our father that I will
I'll put out some.
So I'm jaded, okay. In terms of clothes, ne? The trip, the way abantu bagqoka ngakhona. For me, it looks like labantu bagqoka is hip hop. The same Mapiano kids. So, do you acknowledge the thing that hip hop did influence Amapiano to a certain degree?
Bye.
VIPs.
Mshana.
I mean, look at
Kamunye uzibona ukuthi ugqoke kanjani. Lethu lento mina ngigqoke idiki singimamela
Ngiseza lapho, understand?
Yeah, let's go there.
Uyangibona mina ngicike njengazo lezi.
yeah.
Ngicike njengazo lezi.
Yeah.
But ngimamela ipiano.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
We varied about me. I wouldn't say hip hop influence it, but indwang itayela zifana. Umsengo wakho nomsengo wami, understand?
Yeah.
But I think there ayisho ukuthi manje wena songinfluence ukuthi mina ngqoke kanje.
Marantona, they look. If Maporisa comes up, okay, say play a piano song and this will music. Idlale nje like the video. Ucima music, maybe mayidlala ku MTV or any platform nje. Ucima sound, we mute. Idlale. You think it's a hip hop thing to the way.
Because amachita shaya amabheki la yini.
Fana nawe ushaya ikhathi ye-Boyz II Men. New edition da. Classic.
Yeah. It's a hip hop
We
thing.
all have influence from somewhere.
Yeah.
It's
But
like
what's
nami
hip-hop?
so. This is some
But what's
kwaito shit.
hip-hop?
Yeah.
Yeah, new edition. Singathini. Everybody has their own style, but it has influence from somewhere.
Yeah. But
We must recognize because it's like saying uMaphorisa kazashaya iskipa se-Family Tree. Or ese Poison Parks.
Yeah.
Or ese Uhuru.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying? We all have
So
stars.
in terms of the trip, do you think hip hop did influence?
So I wouldn't say Mapiano. I wouldn't say hip hop influenced in Batas and Mapiano. I think Mapiano is just suffering from identity when it comes to his part. Because they just adopt ama labels, right? And ama labels I can't say if you at Koge e-direct, label Gucci, right? And I say it's a hip hop thing. Gucci is not a hip hop thing.
Marantona magashaya my teams. Magashaya Gucci my teams.
But you can't say it. He's just wearing that because it's a label. He's not wearing it
But now
because
No, but
let me finish my point.
Nah,
so he's not wearing because because a hip hop guy is wearing that. He's wearing it because it looks nice and it's expensive.
But the
Right.
people who used to push
But-
the culture.
But Mara, I wouldn't attribute it to the local guys, to the local hip hop guys. I can say maybe the international hip hop guys, but not the local guys. 'Cause
So local guys basing in a style.
hip hop, they had their own style. I feel like even if you take it back from Google H2O and then those guys used to wear like a stone chair or a Russian culture, right? They had their own kind of vibe and it progressed over years, man. Hip hop, I say hip hop, they have their own sense of style. Yes, we about program and whatever, but the way we about going on confidence, they start with oversized t-shirt, they catch time.
Petrol and milk. Petrol and milk.
But my piano hasn't cracked. That's my opinion.
And I said on the first episode, ngathi trip, piano trip.
I want to say something.
Diba?
You can go.
In terms of trend,
We all go to Mudwana.
hip hop had an influence. Yeah?
Yeah.
But I feel like the piano guys added their own personal twist into it.
Okay.
Yes, I'm giving hip hop its flowers for the influence.
Thank you for the bouquet, boy.
Understand?
Yeah.
Learn it's straightforward, IG.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
Understand? Because, for example, there are piano people who are wearing baggy clothes. And the baggy clothes influence according to what? Hip-hop.
La matrix to El Patron now.
Let's not jump into that. You understand? Because if you roll it back in the ages in hip hop, there were baggy jeans and Timberland.
Yeah.
You understand? And now, if you look now, as he said, El Patron, yeah, that's right. You understand?
Okay.
You have all those baggy feet. You understand? So I'm saying that in general, let's just give hip hop its flowers for having influence. But now, piano now, the piano guys added their own.
Bafaki Spice.
Bafaki Spice, phakathi.
All right. Nesiyabonga Puti. My nigga.
I feel like hip hop is the only genre in the world that is able to put money in something. I don't know if that makes sense. In a way that if you've got a brand, hip hop is the only guys who could because of the
Revive
culture, because
or-
they're able to push the culture,
Yeah.
right? everyone wanna look like a hip hop. Like that's why they set those trends.
Yeah.
If that makes sense.
Yeah.
So it's not only about impasa, you know, it can also go from impasa to what you drink. You know, the drinks, the influence that mostly club you
Influence the culture.
You understand? Even the car that you drive, you know, the influence that I'm talking. If like you're really cheap, this is the kind of car that you need to drive. It is the kind of the watch that you need to rock. You know, it is the kind of the hairstyle that you need to rock up. You know, so that's what I'm born in terms of like putting or to package something. You know, to package something to a commercial market. They're able to do that quite well. So that's why even like the guys like the designer clothes, you know, when they started associating themselves with those guys, that's how
They start making
So
money.
you
I'm
agree?
also going back to PR. You know, if you don't rock designer clothes like your Gucci, LV, you're not a piano artist. Like in South Africa, that's
You
how it is
broke.
right now.
You broke ass.
I don't know about being broke.
No, but I
Yeah,
like
no,
what
full-
Ukrutman is
yeah,
saying
no,
because you saying it, but in another way.
Yeah.
They like their own style.
Star identity.
Yeah, bona, but it doesn't make them necessarily wrong because, I mean, in hip hop, everybody uses the hip hop style, the hip hop wave. Whether you're doing Afro pop, Afro beats, you name it. So we can say, arguably, hip hop is the identity of music general.
Yeah, I'll say the in terms of influence. Sorry.
Yeah,
Richard,
style,
I know
style.
it does not sit well with you, but the influence, the influence the public is.
But are you saying SA hip hop or hip hop?
No, hip hop.
No, we're talking about SA hip hop.
Yeah,
So
so, but
if you
now,
talk about
SA hip hop.
and now,
I know originality.
you understand now? So that's an hip hop. That's why it's easy to put money in a hip hop. Like it was easy to put money to Casper Nyovest than DJ Fresh by then, who was maybe, or maybe Play Kobe by then, who was like already international, you know, because hip hop sells.
all right. No, you make sense.
That's the best answer, actually.
Yeah. So now, gents, in closing, then, I'm gonna ask you to give me 5 artists
Sure, good man.
as a mapiano, and Jaya, if you don't get 5 artists we hip hop.
Is it time based or?
No, not time based. That you think are the best, or maybe top 5 from amapiano, from your dome, Japan, now into Anagashan.
Kona Machita se Cape Town that use Alba Sevens and other broke boys, the workaholics. Those guys they make good amapiano, and then there's the MFR Souls for me now. There's Ushon 101. Kona lenye Khotmani balbiza ban. Ela se Alex or Lagupi. Lokshin Deep, MFR Souls, the workaholics, and then to wrap it up, maybe there's somebody called DJ King Tara. Underground. Yeah.
Man?
Abantu ababhaya bashaya i-slow tempo piano. I-reference yakhona no Scott's Maphumo uphuma nedaku esikolweni saka King Tara.
So when I appreciate about women about now.
Yeah, Krisha wena ntwana
I'm
uvumelana.
just sitting there, but actually I'm sitting with the piano head.
And-
King Tara ya.
Nabo bani
Laba abanye laba baswa.
na ibani labajit
MFR na
amulikapi ke tse dingwe tse ka amulikapi ke tsa Jaivani tse
amu classic no kapi ya ba baspana no Scott Jaivani na Zabila puta ke khona
Ngekho wrong.
ya MFR Kari ban DJ Tara MFR DJ Tara amu classic no kapi
Yeah.
ya and then lemicwebe ithu ayibalila ngiyazi
Okay, ntwana okay 5 year hip hop eyangiphelele ndawo.
uyazi wena wiphi which is boy ethanda umthengi boy and iyanishaya baningi
Oh. Okay 5 then hip hop. Yeah, awubazi ntwana.
hip hop mina ezingishisela hip hop Zulu Meka
Yeah.
yashisa na Pretty Ugly
Yeah.
ngathi after Pretty Ugly Matlera, yeah.
Maclear.
Matlera.
Because Mzoku references as a Pitora, Kabang 25k,
Matlera,
Latinova,
25k,
uh-huh.
Mushini,
Mushin.
yeah, Muchini.
Uza tap in,
Rumi Reigns, kumang tana right up, Rumi Reigns. Nenya bathu Rumi.
Yeah, right.
Rumi
Right.
Banban.
Spanintana it's a trap.
Sure.
Kindly measure give them.
Alright.
So based on the fact that Krisha struggled with this list, it shows and Umuzili can just flow with this Amapiano.
Yeah, it
shows
clearly
that
shows.
Amapiano
Amapiano is the shit.
But now ngishawa hiyo lento le that I keep on saying usizwa la kind if ipiano bengenamali bengayishaya uyisha ngoba ujiji ukawulekile kumele
Ayikaviwa huyu.
ngiyakutshela no mara njani irap ayinamali
But then
because now
Irap.
irap ayinazaka nje yami and beyinezako uyangithola like ubra alubeka isho at that time ukuthengisa iCD was better than ukuthola istream istream ayifani ne CD so these days nakhona khona enye beyila ifana nawe nje ayiko open minded itama numbers K1 atama numbers make music
The slime will never let it slide. Yeah.
I think the Jets they spoke about their best-selling artist. I think it's
Yeah.
Casper and Quest
Casper and Stream.
Yeah, stream. It's yeah.
So let's say these guys in their peak.
Yeah, in their peak.
You know, they're dropping the same day. You know, who do you think will check on number one?
our question now you music
No, let's say Casper versus
my man
Kelvin Moon. No,
I'm
at
telling
their
you.
peak. At their peak. They're dropping the same time to Anna Krish.
So you mentioned Casper
2014
and
then Kelvin Momo right now. They're dropping same time. Who's taking it?
Sekaphendulile uqobo.
answer.
Usiphendulele sonke.
Uthini?
It's still the same answer. No, Kelvin Momo is making cash.
Thank you.
Serious money
Because-
because now it's not even a matter of okay, aritlweleng tsa rich. Wabona ama concert wakudala nawa no. Awasafani. These days upatala ngaphakathi mawungena into yoziphuza like there's so much money being passed around just for you to listen to the music regardless of ama Spotify leza zenza imali ezipiano I think emakube njalo in a night imali enzwa lapha I club yase Joe's ezifana nabo Montana which they play mostly hip hop.
Which is a good point. Because I was checking my gig I came in home like what said last week because he was sick.
Yeah.
You ask yourself why this nigga is only gigging Soweto? Like I always ask myself, am I gig what
Yo, Mink Lounge. Nase
Zakhala futhi.
Nesanjalos. The whole of Pimville, yeah. Pimville.
No, but we
Soweto is becoming a piano
Yeah.
like
Ifana ne PTA for our rap now. There's no rap outside of PTA.
Okay.
As I say, then you saying I'm not referencing them. But man, those niggas haven't made impact in SA. Like the Quellas, intanga zami ngasho zithi go. Ngeke uhlangane nomagogo athi what's the go. Mara ukhona ugogo ozothi bathini bona, which is crazy,
Yeah.
but
so you agree to
Yambona yavuma.
Amapiano
no,
is
but
more.
uvumile dog. It's just that when
In closing, Ntwana.
piano
In closing, was uyavuma ukuthi amapiano it's more culturally, it has more impact culturally than hip hop.
yeah cultural
impact.
it can be piano it can be piano it
And
can be piano
musical, yeah, both of them.
no
Or
culturally rap hip hop
It's a hip hop
blueprint yeah
SA hip hop,
yeah
ungakhohlwa SA hip hop,
SA hip hop
yeah.
Godman,
Cultural.
there's something that you don't want to accept SA hip hop but retire the elements from Coca
No, akhani mara SA hip hop ile influence.
exactly OG ki hip hop SA hip hop effing
All right.
okay name one SA hip hop artist
SA hip hop artist.
Yeah.
Questa.
Sonke lesikhathi ukhuluma nge-hip hop yangala.
No. Wena.
Questa.
Eh?
Questa.
Yeah.
He's saying
But
hip
Casper
hop.
doesn't only.
Questa.
He doesn't do Venek only because now we rebala the features about.
Mara, the references that he's using. Remember, the references that he's doing South African things. No. I'm just saying in his raps. The double entendre, something that relates to a South African. Whatever rap, whatever verse that he does, it's relating to you. It's something in the essay, not the US or anywhere.
But you know why Nali Khotman was so? In hip hop, yes, sithatha somewhere. Chris, understanding boy. Comprehension. Sithatha somewhere. Ipiano helala. Ifana netimtim. Iwan pali dlaliwa ngayi.
Yeah.
So ngeke sithi like we will be discrediting piano so much, which is something that should be celebrated. Ukuthi ishawa ama slam. That's the problem.
So, what is a hood slam, boy?
Scott Mapu. No.
Right.
The way you treat people determines where you come from.
All right, Buffett.
Yeah, the way you treat people.
Okay, Buffett. Gag you pay the double. Don't forget Buffett to say Granite Wine Lounge. Pull through Buffett. It's a nice place to chill. Book nobody is on the yeah, last week Bogno Gogo Scotin is your keeper, la shy round fit to Zoploma. Come and chill. Yeah, oh, who's Uchaivan? Well, Costa was here, dog.
Yeah, about the ring is end.
Buffett, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And Buffett, we don't forget, man. If you want to be a contributor like this, guys, please pull through. There's an email there. Please check the email, Lapo, and then pull through. Mazana this time. I'm just grinding up, Buffett. We out. Cornercast. Thank you.